where behind me I have the Mio Hydro plant by Consumers Energy with a big dam that holds up Mio Pond. And behind me here is this continuation of the Au Sable River. I'm going to show you the portage that goes through there and take a look at this power plant. And I don't know what the water flow is under high water currents, but it seems to be flowing pretty good. Let me turn you around so you can take a look. If you were to kayak or canoe the Au Sable River, if you started in Grayling, on average it's about a 3-day trip to the Mio Pond. And what you do is there's an access point right on the dam where you portage from there down that walkway, right on down to that access point. That's right over there. Then you just jump right back on the river, and you go from here all the way down to Oscoda. And this is one of the rivers that I'll be canoeing and doing a video series with as well. This is the Au Sable River, the largest river system in northern lower Michigan. Alright, now I'm on the south side of the river, coming over here to where the Portage access is and checking out the river on this side. It's about 30 degrees here in Mio. New Year's Eve 2024. Got some big plans coming up for 2025. All right, here's the river. M32 bridge. Access site on the other side, on the north side of the river. And the power plant is right up there. I thought that was the Portage Trail. It's further upstream, so get to walk around and go up to that one. But what are some of your New Year's resolutions? Leave in the comments below. What you want to see happen in your life in 2025. Somebody once gave me really good advice, and that was every day try to improve one thing in your life, both financial way, spiritual way, physical way, friendship way. Improve one thing every day. That's one of the goals I have for 2025. Okay, this is one of the access points on the downstream side. So that's where I was just at over there a little bit ago. So that's the dam right up through there. So if you only want to do the lower half, I would suggest starting here. Launch right here. There's parking. There's long-term parking in an upper parking lot up by the highway. Or take your car all the way to the end, and then catch a shuttle back to this point, and then paddle back down to your vehicle. So that's the access onto the lower Au Sable. Take you up to the dam. Nice little side stream. Dumps right into the Au Sable. So this is part of the Portage Trail right up here. Starting right at this ramp. So this is the put-in on the downstream side of the dam. So it's got a little ramp to put your boat on. Right on down into the lower section. take you up to the pond now. Stairs right down to Mio Pond. Okay, so this is the upstream side of the dam. Got the discharge with the orange and white buoys marking the no trespassing. Here's your canoe and kayak access coming off of Mio Pond. You go over the dam and you head down over there. Give you one more look around. So you got the Mio Pond side, and then the discharge, and the Au Sable River continues. So you would portage right here, you'd come down the lake, portage up these stairs, and head right on down the Portage Trail. Signing off here from the lower stretch of Au Sable River in Mio, Michigan. This is the outpouring part of the Mio Dam, and quite a flow it is. All right, Happy New Year, everybody. Big plans coming. See you on the next one.